Create a landing page. A landing page is the first screen that your users will visit once they open your app. A landing page can be anything you want it to be, from a navigation screen to a search and filter screen. For our app, we are going to make a navigation landing page. Let's learn more by watching the following video. We start by selecting Insert from the menu at the top of the screen, preceded by Layout, then Blank Horizontal Gallery from the expanding menus. Now we have our gallery, we need to populate the items property with values. This can be done by referring to a data source via an environment variable, or you can hard-code a table of values. For this screen, we will hard-code the table. Select the blank horizontal gallery, and select the items property from the property drop-down, located in the top left of the screen. Let's type the following code. The code is creating a table of values. This table has two values, search records and reports. The column title for each of these values is Screen. Once you have typed your code, drag the formula bar down slightly to reveal the Format Text button. Pressing the Format Text button will format your code, making it clear and logical. We now have the values held within our gallery, but we need to assign those values to a button. We do this by firstly inserting a button into the gallery. Select the pencil icon within the gallery to place the gallery into edit mode. Now select Insert from the menu at the top of the screen, preceded by Button. You will notice that you have X number of buttons appear that corresponds to the X number of values within your table. What we are looking at here is how a gallery works. You edit the first entry in the gallery and dynamically the rest of the values will update. What we want next is to attach a name to each button that corresponds to the value that it is representing. We do this by the following. Select the first button in the gallery, now select the text property from the property drop-down, finally replace the text button with this item followed by a full stop. Doing this will activate the IntelliSense and provide you with all the values and properties associated with the item that you have selected. We select the column name of the hard-coded table that we created within the gallery items property. In this example we have this item Screen. We now can see that the buttons refer to the column values that we created within the hard-coded table that sits within the items property of the gallery. Let's readjust the gallery to make it more visibly pleasing. Watch as we go through the properties to change how the gallery and button appear. If you like this video, please like and subscribe.